Hello, everyone. Today, I'm delighted to be joined by Scott Lauer. He is the president of Trillion Energy, trading in the CSE under ticker symbol TCF. Scott, thank you so much for your time. Following the recent light oil discovery at M47, what are some of the key milestones investors should watch as you transition from discovery to development?
Oh, that's a good question. Thank you, Elizabeth. So the key milestones will be is getting the funding arranged for the project for the next two wells. We've got two more exploration wells we want to drill in the south and the mid leads on the block. And those will be important to delineate the size of the resource on the three main prospects for the block. The second thing will be production. You know, what is our initial production rates from those wells based on those new discoveries? And the third thing is we have a discovery already, and it's getting that discovery to produce, and that'll be a big value driver as well for the shareholders of the company.
Well, those are certainly very exciting milestones for everyone to look out for, but also with 50 million barrels of recoverable resource identified, how are you prioritizing capital allocation while also maintaining a balance sheet discipline?
Yeah, so we have a set work program for the next year, and so it's really about, drilling successful wells. You budget the cost of each well, you try to stick to the budget, and you get the discoveries made. And from there with production, any production can help, help the balance sheet and help the budget in terms of paying for it, because it's not hard to go from discovery where you're producing and to sales, because you just put in a tank farm and then you ship the oil up the road to the refinery. And it's really, really simple to get this done here, to go into the sales side of this once you have sustainable production.
That's exciting, and it's definitely a really critical time in the oil markets, as we know. But Trillion Energy is actually trading at a very significant discount compared to peers. What do you believe the market is missing today, and what are some of the catalysts that you think will fill that gap over time?
Well, Trillion is trading at a relatively low valuation and dollars per C2 resource. Contingent resource stocks normally trade in the $1.50 per barrel to $2.50 per barrel is what we've found. This stock is trading at post finance about 90 cents per barrel, and so there's quite a bit of an upside for investors on a re-rating of the stock, and as we achieve and go forward with our milestones and our drilling program. There's and then again, there's re-rating opportunities once you go in production as well, when you move a resource, like a contingent resource, up into an approved reserve. And again, there's opportunity there for re-rating. But I think the biggest value driver will be in the next 18 months is getting some production going.
Well, that's very exciting. Thank you so much, Scott, for your time. We really appreciate you sharing the catalysts, the milestones, and everything that's coming up for Trillion Energy this year. We'll leave a link below for anyone that wants to connect with the team or learn more about the story. Thank you so much, Scott.
Perfect. Thank you very much for your time. Yeah.